Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Wonder Woman on Dress to Impress. So the hair I'm going to be using is this one in this dark brown color, as well as this one. Also, sorry if there's going to be any background noises. My neighbors are pretty loud and it's a Saturday night, so anyways, for the outfit, we are going to be using this one. We're going to color the first one in red. I'm just going to make it a little bit of a deeper red. I think I might add the silk pattern to it. Material. I'm going to save color. And then for that, I'm going to do metallic for like the gold. And then I'll do gold here as well in metallic. And then here I'm going to do gold as well in metallic. And then I'm going to do red. Can't add material to that, that's fine. For the bottom part, you can use anything you want. I'm going to use this one in this pattern. You can use any skirt you want, of course. And then for the necklace, I am going to be using this one here. You can also use the one outside. I'm going to also color it in metallic. Then for the shoe aspect, I am going to use socks and then high striped socks, and then I'm going to color it this color in metallic as well. And then I'm going to use the boots from the Bratz so it doesn't show through at the front. It does kind of show through a little bit here in silk as well for both. And then I'm going to go to VIP. I do need VIP for this, but you can kind of adjust it without VIP. I'm going to use the third toggle, and I'm going to color it gray actually in metallic. But if it doesn't really match your outfit, you can set it to gold. I think I'm just going to do that. I know it's gray, but I'm gonna just do gold. Then for the headpiece, we are going to use this headpiece here in that gold color, and we are going to leave this part red because it is red kind of in the middle. I think I'm also going to add this on, and then I also want to add this headpiece on as well in gold. And for some extra stuff, I'm going to also put this belt here in gold. And then I'm going to get the shield from the code items. I think I might, from the quest. Put it off to the side so you can see the outfit a little bit better. I am going to color it this gold. You can't really see it unless you see it from the side. And I think I might get the sword as well if it doesn't mess the items. I think I'm going to do the default one, I guess. Yeah. And I'm also going to color it in gold. Like so. And that is how you can create Wonder Woman on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.